Hey folks, Paul Abernathy here. Just wanted to give everybody an update. So the Stack Caddy 2.0 is out. So we've made some significant changes based on feedback from customers in the newest version of our Stack Caddy system. It's pretty cool. Now we made the top thicker or deeper because some folks said they wanted to be able to use it when they go onto a project and they take it off to get the screws, nuts, bolts, that they want to also use the top as a tray. So the new screws, and then maybe they take off cover screws or whatever, and they want to put them over in a separate top. So we made it deeper. Before it was thinner, now it's deeper so it can act as a tray. So let me explain here. So it now comes in separate modules. So first things first, you have your belt loop that clips onto your belt. Now you can actually, on the job, take this and twist this off and take this unit off. And we made this deeper, but it also sticks closer to the thickness of the actual tape, so it acts as a guide. So if you want the tape dispenser portion, you just simply pull the tape, okay? And that's it. And you pull what you need, and you just put your finger on it, and you pull it off, and the tape stays on there. And you use your electrical tape as you need it, okay? So that was one thing. So we made that, we changed the thread design to make it a little easier. The other thing that we've done is, again, deeper tray, so it can act as a tray. So if you have this one and you're not using it for tape, for example, I'll take the tape out. And let's say you just want to use it, but you're worried about that hole. Well, obviously you have the inserts. You can have the divider or the solid. I just throw the divider in here. So you throw the divider in there, so you could have screws over here, nuts over here, bolts, whatever. Just something maybe together for a service call, a quick, maybe some wire nuts in here. You don't need a whole lot, but you want something that you can load up and take in so that you don't have to carry all this stuff around. So there you go. So I've got this. It blocks this here. So there you go. And you can buy these in stacks, so you can be even two, whatever. But you don't have to take the belt version off, okay? It simply slides onto the belt loop. All right, and so you can do it. Now this top can go back on it, now that you have the divider in there, and obviously you now could put screws and bolts and nuts or whatever you wanted to put in there. You don't have to worry about it coming out, okay? Now, putting it back on the hip, getting ready to leave, you simply put it here, and you just twist it. Don't have to over tighten it, just get it snug, done, you're ready to go. And you could have two of these. Again, it's just to get you from the truck into the project. Once you get in there, you can always take it off. Okay, just unscrew the whole thing off the belt here, all right, and sit it on the floor where you're working, by the panel, whatever you're doing, and it's got a nice wide base, and you're good to go. That way, this stays right here. You want to load your tape back in it. You just simply take this out of it. You get your tape. Take your tape itself, right? Find the hole, pull off enough to get you through the hole here, and go on and drop it in there, just like that. Drop the tape in there, lay that over the side, there. Screw the top right back on it, and you're ready to go again, pull more tape out. So this is what we did. Again, not a, an idea of a tape holder wasn't the concept. That just happens to be one of the modules. Now you could have this with 4 different containers with all different colors tapes, and you could create what's called a phasing kit if you want. Or you could have the tape and then on top of it another stacker that has nuts, bolts, screws, whatever you need. And you can even put these together so that you have some that are just for maybe grounding and bonding issues, maybe ones for 632s and luminaires and whatever. So you could put together the system, and you only put together what you need. And you need that extra ability to free your hands up, right? So it doesn't matter whether it's 2 or even 3. Right? You're just trying to get from point A to point B, and you free up your hands. So this would screw right on here, just like this. Just till it's snug, and boom, you're right there ready to go. That stays on your belt. We also sell them with the solid base, so they can just sit as a container. So this is the version 2.0. We've expanded it. We've changed some things on it, and it just happened today. We just launched the 2.0 version. So check it out on our website, stackcaddy.com. In fact, I don't even know if the 2.0 version's up there yet. But anybody that orders today, the stuff that's there, you will get the newer version. I'm just saying.